Hi, my name's Krupa and welcome to Krishan Yoga. Today I want to go through the cat-cow exercise with you. It's one of my favourites and ideal for lower back pain because it helps bring movement into the spine and the muscles of the back and shoulders. It involves moving the spine from a rounded position, which is flexion, into an arched one, which is extension, and this really helps improve blood circulation in the discs in the back. So not only does it help maintain a nice healthy spine, it also massages the internal organs, improves balance and posture. So when we link our breath to the movement, it's a great mind-body connection and it improves focus, it can reduce stress, and it's just really calming for the mind. So we're going to start on all fours in tabletop position. Just spread your fingers out wide, place them on your mat, making sure that the wrists are directly in line with the shoulders, and you want your knees stacked directly in line under the hips. And then take your gaze down, which creates a nice long neck, and press into the hands then to lengthen the spine. Engage the abs and press down from the tops of the feet. So this is our foundation for cat-cow exercise. If you need support under the knees, then you can place a blanket or a folded towel under the knees. You can also fold your mat like so, and then fold it again if you need to, and that provides great padded support for the knees. It also works well actually for wrist support too. You can also use a wedge under the wrists, or you can support your weight on the fists of the hands rather than on the palms. So a few options there. It's also important to note before we begin that the movement for cat-cow actually begins from the pelvis and the hip area. So let the movement begin there, work up the spine and then into the neck area. So we're going to begin in our foundation, our tabletop pose. And then inhale, sending the hips back, arching the back, and take your gaze up. And this is our cow pose. And then exhale, tipping the pelvis forward, rounding the back and taking your gaze down into cat pose. Again, inhaling, hips come forward, tip the pelvis back, arching the back, taking your gaze up, not putting too much strain on the neck here. Exhale, pressing into the hands, tuck the tailbone in, tuck the pelvis in, rounding into the back and look down towards your navel. So inhaling to arch the back and taking the gaze up, and then exhaling to round the back, taking your gaze down. So nice inhale, belly lowers, open up the shoulders. Exhale, rounding off the back, tucking in the pelvis. And then you just want to continue with this movement in conjunction with your own breath. Close the eyes as well if you feel it helps. And then you just want to see if there's any areas of tension maybe in the body. You can try to relax and release them. That is our cat-cow exercise. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoy this lovely exercise.